Every phone call starts the same way. So when is it happening for you? Like my life's a waiting room, and the clock's louder than the truth. They count my years like deadlines, measure my body like time, as if love is a checklist, as if peace ain't mine. I'm not behind, I'm not broken, I just took a different road. Stop treating my becoming like a problem to be solved. Leave me alone, I'm not late, I'm right where I'm supposed to be. You worry about your husband, your kids, your legacy. Leave me alone, let me breathe. I don't owe you an explanation. This body, this life, this timing is not a public conversation. They whisper prayers I didn't ask for, light candles for my womb, like I'm incomplete without a ring, like silence equals doom. They say time is running out, but I feel full when I wake. I'm building joy in quiet rooms, I'm not rushing my fate. I don't need a crowd to validate me, or a baby to feel whole. Stop projecting your fear of loneliness onto my soul. Leave me alone, I'm not late, I'm not racing anybody else. You chose your path, I chose mine. Please let me live it myself. Leave me alone, don't pity me, don't plan my life for me. I'm not your cautionary tale, I'm just a woman choosing peace. Marriage is not a medal, motherhood is not a cure. Love doesn't come on demand, and I refuse to force what's unsure. If it comes with softness. If it doesn't, I'll still stand. I am not afraid of my future, I'm afraid of living planned. Stop asking what I'm waiting for, I'm not waiting, I'm living. Stop telling me who I should be, I already made my decision. Leave me alone, I'm enough with or without your approval. Go focus on your own life, this one is not communal. Leave me alone, trust my pace, I know my heart, I know my name. I'm not late to anything, I arrived exactly when I came. I don't need to prove my womanhood by pain or permanence. I just need you to mind your business and let me exist. I wear a ring I didn't choose with my heart, smile at a life that looks perfect in parts. I cook the dinners, I pray I behave, but there's a part of me you already claimed. You look at me like you see through the lies, like you know every tear I hide. We never planned this, it just grew. In the quiet spaces I found you. I know your vows, you know mine too. We both pretend we're doing what we're supposed to, but every time our hands almost touch, I feel the truth we're scared to trust. So I'll say it once, even if it's wrong. I'm in love with you, I've been for too long. We meet in glances, we speak in sighs, loving you softly, living two lives. I don't ask for forever, I don't ask for a name. I just needed you to know I feel the same. I go back home to a familiar face. He loves the version of me that stays safe, but he doesn't hear my midnight cries or feel my heart when it calls your name. And I know she trusts you, believes in your touch, thinks she's the one you think about most. If I could choose right, I swear I would, but feelings don't listen like they should. I hate the timing, I hate the truth, I hate that love led me to you. If loving you makes me a sinner, then why does it feel like the purest feeling I've known? So I'll say it once, even if it burns. I'm in love with you, no matter what it costs. We hide in shadows, we play our roles, but my heart is already lost. I don't want promises, I don't want a plan. I just want you to understand. If this ends tonight, let it end honest. Let me be brave for just one moment. No stolen kisses, no secret calls, just the truth before it falls. In another life, in another time, maybe I'd be yours and you'd be mine. But here we are, crossing lines, trying to be good, failing quietly. So I'll say it loud, then I'll let it go. I'm in love with you, this is all you should know. Tomorrow I'll return to my place, put the mask back on, fix my face. But tonight, in this fragile space, I chose honesty over grace. This is not a demand, not a plea, just a confession I carried in me. If silence comes after today, at least my heart had its say.